Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm bringing you a Theta Network Medium article. This wasn't written by the Theta team, but written by Ihsan Yazdanparast. This was written yesterday, February 20th, and it is the 6 things you need to know about the Theta Network. So let's go over it, because I thought it was a great article. So first up, we got multi-level BFT consensus model, dual currency system, off-chain micropayment pools, Turing complete smart contracts, and more. So Theta Network, the next generation of video and entertainment blockchain powered by you. So the Theta Network is a peer-to-peer video streaming network powered by blockchain and cryptography technologies. Theta Network has 2 tokens. Theta is a governance token, and the T-Fuel token is mainly used for paying gas fees of transactions. Now, I just got to point out there, we do got Theta drop as well. In this story, I'm going to explain 6 things you better need to know about this project. For more info, you can also check the official documentation of the project here. So 1, we got multi-level BFT consensus mechanism. Theta uses a mechanism called multi-level BFT to reach a consensus among nodes. The main idea behind this model is to have 2 layers of decision making. 1, we got 10 to 20 validator nodes. Theta Labs plus key strategic partners produce a chain of settled blocks using PBFT-like process. 2, there are thousands of consensus participants called guardian nodes validate the blocks proposed by a validator committee to reach consensus faster at the guardian level. These nodes only need to agree on the hash of the checkpoint blocks, i.e. blocks whose height are multiple of some integers, so e.g. t is equal to 100. This proposed consensus model by Theta addresses the blockchain trilemma nicely. Decentralization, in total, thousands of validators and guardian nodes will be in charge of the proposing and validating of the blocks. We got security. There are 2 layers of consensus, validators and guardians. Validator nodes need to lock up a certain amount of stake for a period of time, which can be slashed if they have malicious activities. Finally, thousands of guardian nodes secure the network. Therefore, 51% attack or similar ones are difficult or, if not impossible. We got scalability. The block generation and proposition happen at the validator nodes level. This committee has 10 to 20 nodes. Therefore, they can reach to consensus quite fast thanks to this model. Thousands of transactions can be processed per second. So yeah, very nice. 2, we got an aggregated signature gossip scheme. Theta has thousands of guardian nodes. These nodes are in charge of gossiping the proposed blocks by validators. More precisely, they broadcast the checkpoint block hashes. Now, if any single guardian node communicates with all other nodes, the network will have a quadratic communication overhead. As a result, the throughput will be decreased significantly. To overcome this problem, Theta uses an aggregated signature gossip scheme, which could significantly reduce messaging complexity. Under this model, each guardian node, 1, collects partially aggregated signatures from all its neighbors, and 2, gossips out the aggregated signature. This indeed increases the communication speed between nodes exponentially. The size of the node-to-node messages will decrease, and as a result, the communication overhead will be reduced. And 3, resource-oriented micropayment pool. So yeah, we got that going on. So you got Alice, blockchain, creator pool, just the method of how it works, service payment, video chunks, service payment. Then it goes to Carol, which market pool, create pool, text hash, video chunk, service payments. But the resource-oriented micropayment pool shows viewer Alice making an off-chain transaction to catchers Bob and Carol for video chunks source, the Theta documents. Theta Network is going to serve millions of users around the world. These users will need to send thousands of transactions to the network per second. For example, to stream the videos offered by catching nodes, the viewer needs to pay for the video content she pulled. Therefore, Theta blockchain should be scalable enough to serve the needs of the user space. Resource-oriented micropayment pool is a layer 2 solution for improving scalability in the Theta network. The idea behind the solution is to allow users to create an off-chain micropayment pool that any other user can withdraw from. These pools will then handle transactions outside of the main blockchain / off-chain. Now, here are some of the benefits of the resource-oriented micropayment pools. The double spend resistance, that will happen, reduce the load from the main network, and decrease the number of transactions that needs to be stored on the blockchain. So cool. 4, the mesh delivery network. So we got the tracker server streaming site, retrieving candidate, peer 4 newcomer, request 1, so how it gets distributed, interaction between tracker server and player client. This is the source from the Theta documents. In online video streaming, there are lots of considerations to ensure the high quality delivery of the service. We got near real-time content delivery, failure recovery strategies in the case of failing nodes, aka servers, high availability of delivering catching nodes, optimal bandwidth usage and distribution between nodes, pull streams from the nearest nodes. To address these concerns, Theta Network designs and implemented a mesh delivery network. This network has 2 main components. 1, geo-optimized tracker server provides high-level guidance, e.g. a list of candidate peers for the player's client. 2, intelligent player client implements a peer filtering algorithm at a finer granulatory base and multiplier variables to find the neighbors nodes that can be best served for them. 5, we got turning complete smart contract support. Theta Network supports deploying turning complete smart contracts. There are lots of use cases for building dApps on the Theta Network. Here are some of them: loyalty programs to engage users, virtual items, aka NFTs, as gifts to content creators, and payment consumption models such as pay-as-you-go or per-use models. The good thing about Theta's smart contracts is that it is fully compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, the EVM, and Solidity programming languages. This means that developers can port their existing smart contracts and dApps to the Tether ecosystem with minimum effort. So very cool. And 6, we got dual currency system, Theta and T-Fuel. According to the Theta official white paper, in the interest of securing the network, installing proper governance and managing the usage of the Theta network and the Theta blockchain will use a dual currency system. The Theta token will be used to stake, secure, and govern the Theta network, while individual operations, video segment transactions, smart contract operations, etc., will be paid for with the operational token T-Fuel. Now, here are some of the use cases of Theta token. Token locking. Both validators and guardians need to lock some tokens before joining the network. This ensures their good intentions and is a mechanism to avoid malicious activity of such nodes. We have token rewards. Both validators and guardians will receive the token rewards upon completion of a verified block. All validators will receive these rewards for guardian, and for guardians, according to an algorithm, a subset of nodes will be selected randomly and the reward will be distributed to them. We got token penalty of slashing. Both validators and guardians will receive the penalties if they show malicious behavior in the network, e.g. signing conflicting blocks for the same height or voting for different blocks. The penalty will be deducted from the locked tokens of the nodes. And then we got users reward. Viewers earn Theta tokens for their attention, engagement with their favorite content and influencers, and earn Theta tokens as gifts directly from the viewers. On the other hand, the T-Fuel token is a highly liquid token, mainly used for paying the gas fees, paying for video segment microtransactions and smart contract operations, and powering utility-based operations of the network. All T-Fuel tokens used as gas to deploy or interact with smart contracts will be burned. This article is for informational purposes only, and it should not be considered financial or legal advice. Not all information will be accurate. Consult a financial professional before making any major financial decisions. So yeah, if you enjoy this content and feeling generous, please consider supporting by donating to my Ethereum wallet. So this is from the actual author of this article. And if you have any interest in reading similar posts in the future, please consider joining the Medium referral link. So yes, so this article, again, was written by, his name was very hard to say, Ihsan Yazdan Poest. So yeah, that was his Ethereum link down there. If you feel like you want to donate to him, go ahead. If you got some information, got some use case from this article, please give it a thumbs up, give some support. But yeah, I thought it was a very decent article, well read, well written. Gives a pretty brief and quick explanation on the Theta network and how guardian nodes and validators work and how it's a reward and like the inside mechanisms of it also. I thought it was pretty good. I hope you guys thought so too. If you did, again, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with all your friends out there to get the knowledge out there on Theta Network. That's the key. It's about educating the world, and that's what we're doing. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.